Hello and how's it going? Welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now on this one little today we've someone's bought a mower in and it needs a new drive cable, so I thought I'd do a little video on it, so it's going to show you how I do it. Okay, as you can see, now this one here, it's completely, it's broken. It's snapped from the actual main cable and also some more down there, and it's broken from the inside there. So now I've got to take all this off and the underneath, and we'll show you. So that cable comes all the way down, it goes through there underneath the lawnmower into the axle. So I've got to turn it upside down and take the blade off. I've got to take the belt cover off just to get inside of there and to change the cable. Okay, with 10mm sockets, we take this off. Doesn't take that much to get that off. Just pull that off like that, and then simply just take that off. So that's the first bit done. This is what I've got to take. I've got to take the blade off. I have got to take the belt cover off, and then get inside to the axle. Okay, right, to get these belt covers off on this model, there is one screw there, and there's also another Phillips screw there, which is connected through a bolt on the other side. So the nut on the other side is literally there. So all I'm really going to do is put a 10mm socket onto there, and then from the inside with a screwdriver I know I'm shaking the camera. And the bolt is off. As you can see, the cable comes through to there, and it has a little clip on there which is holding this one. So all you do is you just push that off like that, and then the cable comes off of that way. Yeah, okay, right, the connectors on this one is, I will just point it to there. You have the end of the cable, which is just inside there. This is the best I could actually get it. And also you have to pull this part here, out here. So we'll pull that out and push it down. And if I bring the camera back round to here, and then all you do is pull that out, and then the cable comes out. And then all that has to be done is for that to be pulled through here, and that is done. So the replacement part on this one for the clutch cable is G-56944069. That's for this model. So to put the cable back together is just completely the reverse way, by pushing this end through here, and then bringing it up to there. So to put it back, you start by putting the end of it through there, and then you've got that tight, and then getting this part here and then just literally pushing it through, and then back into the axle, which there is a stop point inside, and then of course putting that cable back around that clip, and that's that side done. Whilst you have this on the deck, you just put the cover back on reverse way by putting the main bolt through the middle, and there was actually 2 screws on this side, which is older than that. So I will put that back together, I will put the blade back on, and then I'll show you how to connect the top. So to put this back, we put that into there like that, and then you get the plastic connector. Just inside there, there's a little groove, and that goes into there like so, and then you pull the cable back, put your bolt in, and then the nut on the other side, just give it a little, just kick the camera, and then just give it a little tighten. That's it. And then just try that, and if it needs adjusting on the clutch, is adjust it with this bit. Right, so we'll show it working. So there you have it. That's how to change the cable on a Hayter Osprey 46. It wasn't too bad in the end. It was easier than what I thought. Some of the other cables on other mowers are not as easy as that, believe it or not. That one I thought was very, very easy. So anyway, I hope you like that one, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell down the bottom, and then you'll be told when I've got new mowers coming out. I mean, new videos coming out, I should say. Anyway, until this next time, cheerio.